Hey, what's up everybody? Sorry it's been another week of no diving because of this. The water is still pretty rough. It's pretty incredible. So I decided to go down to the area where I normally go diving and show you what it's like. So I'm on the edge of the cove where I usually go out from, and you can see it's pretty pounding. The white water is all over, and in some areas the break is pretty big. So if you look at the break in the center of the screen, uh, which is pretty far away, it's pretty big because you see the waves coming in, and compared to the shore, like right there, and compared to the cliff, and you can see where the houses are. Those houses on the cliff are the most expensive in the Milolii area. I, for one, wouldn't buy there because I dive on that area and I know how hollow some of that cliff area is. So I walked down toward the tide pools, and as I climbed down, this lady on top was yelling, "Are you crazy?" But I felt pretty safe because I positioned myself in the tide pool behind that little lava outcropping, so I thought that would take the brunt of the waves. So I can get a shot of what the wave looks like as it comes in. So you can see the wave building there in the background, and it's coming from the deep, and it's just going to come right up onto this ledge, and that flat ledge with all those outcroppings kind of break the wave down. So I was pretty safe, just got wet. That's what it looks like. So you can see why not able to dive. Hopefully soon the water will get calm. Thanks and aloha.